As colleges and universities have shuttered their physical campuses in the face of the spread COVID-19,
They have moved their courses to remote and online formats in repetition.
Based on the present situation where individuals come to stand online, learning will depend on where they sit currently.
And there will be a negative impact on the state of online learning in higher education on health.
if you've been working from home for a week or more already, you might have noticed your eyes feeling more tired than usual by the end of the day. Many of us are now in proper lockdown mode, which means our work, social lives, entertainment, and news updates are all being fed to us through screen. The eyes establishment tells that too much screen time can lead to headache, eye strain, dry eyes, tiredness, and reduced productivity.
Second impact, burnout syndrome. Burnout syndrome is one of the stress conditions associated with work. That's why this one health condition is also known as occupational burnout or job burnout. This condition is characterized by physical and emotional exhausting due to expectation and the fact employees in their position do not run as imagined. As this condition continue to occur and are left, you usually begin to lose interest in your work and no longer find the motivation to continue doing so. Work productivity is also declining.
Loss of focus is a situation where a person loses his focus on doing something that is often done, so that person becomes saturated. This situation causes someone to be lazy to do so and prefer to do something else. A student who ignores online lectures and does not study well and prefer the world of entertainment, then he harms himself. With its diverse entertainment, daily distraction, and lack of motivation for college, the campus has its own challenge to overcome inactive students.
Lack of self-motivation continues to be one of the primary reasons why the student fail to complete the online lectures. In many cases, the students are left to fend for themselves during their learning activities, without anyone constantly urging them on towards their learning goals. As a result, keeping up with the regular deadlines during online studies can become difficult for the student who lacks strong self-motivation and time management.
First, when you're working on any screen at home or in the office, we should remember the 20-20-20 rule. This means after 20 minutes of screen time, you should look outside the window at the distance of 20 meters for 20 seconds and repeat. This allows our eyes to relax.
Second, you must have a quiet place meant only for the class and studying at home. It should be somewhere you can turn into your own space where you can stay motivated and attentive. It is also better to keep your workspace away from your bedroom. Otherwise, you'll always be tempted to pick up your laptop and lying down on your bed.
Just because you don't have the camera on and your professor can see you does not mean you should distract yourself. Even if you're listening to the class, you shouldn't allow yourself to be distracted. And social media is number one thing to eliminate.
Motivational videos give you the impression that you can work very hard to achieve your dream. Without motivation, you can achieve anything. There are no goalposts to aim for and no purpose to strive towards.